Hi, I'm Jon Gillen, the estimator at Frost Roofing. I got into the industry in 2000. It wasn't my first option. After high school, I went to college. It did not take very long to figure out that that wasn't for me. So I came home, got a job working for a landscaping company. That was in '92. That did not provide the opportunities of advancement, growth, and stability that I was looking for. So I started to look outside of that area into factory work and construction trades. At the time, the factory work was not thriving by any means. They were laying off at factories like Ford and the tank plant in Lima. So I went and started looking into construction trades to see what I had to do, what they offered. I found that the roofing trade you could learn hands-on and had lots of room for potential for growth and advancement in the industry. So at 2000 I joined the Frost Roofing team. Once I got into the roofing industry with Frost Roofing, I started in 2000 as a general laborer. I was sent out with the crews, basically taught on the roof how to do things. I did that for 2 years, and then in 2002 I became a repairman and was responsible for taking care and servicing customers and their needs with roof leaks and whatnot. So in 2003 I became a crew foreman. I was responsible for the build-up roofing and single-ply roofing that we do. I manned crews, guided crews at 4 to 10 people, depending on the project. And we were responsible for installing the roof systems to manufacturer specifications and providing a quality product. And then that lasted till 2007. In 2007, I was moved into the office as a project manager. So I was on the other end of it, and I got to sell work and manage the work and make sure the guys were proceeding through projects as needed and taking care of customers' needs at the same time. In 2008, I was tasked with taking on the repair service, or the service manager position, as well as my project manager duties. I was asked to move into the operations manager position for a short period of time. That included taking care of 3 to 4 crews, making sure that they had the materials they needed, they were scheduled to the jobs when they were supposed to be, they had the equipment needed to do the jobs, and that they were doing it on the technical side how they should be. So in 2009 I was moved to the estimator position. That position entails estimating all of our commercial work. I order all the material for the projects. I offer technical assistance to the roof technicians. I also am responsible for negotiating work with general contractors and negotiating the cost of materials with our suppliers. So one thing I would tell anybody who's interested in getting into the roofing industry, the field is wide open. They need new employees, young employees, for an aging workforce. There are plenty of opportunities in growth and advancement, and it is one of the most stable trades you can find. You do not need college education. You don't need education from a trade school. If you have a high school diploma and willing to learn and have a good work ethic, then the roofing industry is a viable place for any high school graduate.